I will show you how to fill your own tire using this fantastic little machine. Woke up this morning to a completely flat tire on my Honda Pilot, so I'll show you how to use my Performance 2 tire inflator. I simply plugged it into my cigarette lighter and I turned my radio on, and that initiated the power. I just tried for the first time this 12-volt compact tire inflator, and actually it's pretty good. In 10-12 minutes it's gotten this far already, and it was completely flat before. It should get up to 32. That's what the recommended pressure is at, a little over 20 now. So I'll wait till it gets up to full pressure, and then I'll take care of this. Okay, just hit 32, so I'm going to take it off. I tell you, this thing, really great to have. Saved my bacon today. Now I'm gonna go down to my nearest tire place and get it taken care of. The box says you can fill a tire in 7 minutes, but that's on the tire itself. With the weight of the car on it, this took a little bit, about maybe a little over 20 minutes. Thank you.